Welcome to my channel, and we are on how to draw the things. So today the first video of mine is telling on how we can draw the particular house with respect to the perspective of the background and the other things which is in surrounded with the house. So if you can see, I have drawn the horizontal and vertical line, but the side of my house when I'm drawing is little bit of space in there. That is because the side of the house will be little bit having a tilted line, the base. If you're seeing the base, it will have the little bit tilted line from the vertical line. I have increased the height of the house because I later feel like it will be a bit small. So yeah, we do these changes in our drawing. So whenever you are drawing the side most thing of any object, the line will be always the tilted from the vertical line, either in the 20-degree or 30-degree angle. Mostly we draw 20-degree. Now if you see the box, that box is not like 20-degree like a line to that particular vertical line. So it's like when you are drawing the other objects, you have to make their own angles. If you see the box, the horizontal, the front end of the box is almost like the similar to the, like parallel to the vertical line of the house. But if you will see the side of the box, it is, yes, and I have more like acute angle than that of that house. It is like 30-degree. If you are taking the acute angle of a house as a 20-degree, then you are taking a acute angle of a box as a 30-degree. That is what I'm talking about, the side. And we have added the other details as well in the particular background. As I have drawn my drawing to the left of the paper, I don't have a space to draw the rock. But once you will be drawing, then make sure you have a little bit of space. So here I'm adding other details as well, which is in the front. Now if you see the box, again I have drawn again this box and the previous box. Again, if you will see, the angle of this box is little more than the previous box, because see, the perspective of the things we need to see is it should look like a real. Even if you are drawing it as an anime, it should look like that the things are placed in proper, and that's how our house is ready.